Remember Rohan, who we helped solve his percentage problem? Well, now he has another brain-racking question. He wants to learn to multiply a fraction by a whole number. He's confused and we have to help him understand this topic. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to be discussing about multiplication of fractions by a whole number. So now I want you to quickly do these problems. I recommend pausing the video and trying these problems. Okay, I'm expecting you have paused the video and now I'm going to show the answers. So these are the answers and these are very simple questions. So if you got them right, clap for yourself. Now we are going to see a simple rule so that multiplication of the fractions with a whole number becomes easier for us. So for example, here I have 4. I'll write it in white. So 4 into 1 by 2 for example. So what we actually do is convert this 4 into a fraction. So we don't do anything fancy, we just divide 4 by 1. Okay, now we multiply it by 2. So the first step is multiply the bottom numbers, okay, the two bottom numbers. So I'll just erase it. So we'll get 4 into 1 by 2 because 2 into 1 is 2. Okay, now what we will do is see if there is a chance of simplification. So in this case it is. So we are going to simplify it. So 2 and 2 2s are 4. Okay, and now we can multiply. So 2 into 1 is 2 and 1 as our denominator, and then this is equals to 2. Now if there is no chance of simplification, we will multiply the numerators. Okay, so this is our simple rule that will help us to solve. So let's understand this topic with the help of some examples. So the first question is 8 into 5 by 6, and we are going to write it in this way, which is 8 into 5 by 6, and we can actually reduce it. So there are two ways to go through this problem. Either we can multiply 8 into 5 and then reduce it. 8 into 5 is 40 and then reduce it. But that's a long procedure, so like it's not long, it's also correct, but I like to do it in this way. I like to first simplify it, then I like to get my answer. So when we simplify it using the 2 table, I get 2 4s are 8 and 2 3s are 6, and 4 into 5 is 20 and by 3. And as some of you might have seen this is an improper fraction and we have to convert it into a mixed fraction. So this is equals to 6 2 by 3. So now moving on to the next problem. It is 4 1 by 4. 4 into 1 by 4, and we are going to write it in this way. So 4 into 1 by 4, and 4 into 1 is 4 and 4 by 4 is 1. So our answer is equal to 1. It's that simple. Okay, now moving on to the next question, which is 22 into 13 by 33. As you can see, I've just wrote it first only in this way. It's just a little bit slanting. I'm going to write it correctly this time. 13 by 33. And now we are going to reduce it. So 2 3 and 2 into 13 is equals to 26, and 26 by 3. Okay, I want you to pause the video and convert this into a mixed fraction. So I'm expecting you have paused the video and tried it. So I'm going to show the answer now. So it is 8 2 by 3. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, now moving on to the next question. It is 18 into 4 by 27. And now again we are going to reduce it. So this becomes 2, this becomes 3. And 2 into 4 is equals to 8 and by 3. So now we have to convert this. So now we have to convert this into an improper fraction. So again, I want you to pause the video and try this on your own. Okay, so I'm expecting you to pause the video and now I'm going to tell you the answer. So it is 2 by 3. Okay. So now moving on to the last problem. It is 90 into 14 by 105. I want you to pause the video and try to do this problem on your own. Okay, I'm expecting you have paused the video and tried this problem on your own. And now I'm going to show you the answer. So we can reduce this by 15. So it is 15 into 6 is 90 and 15 into 7 is 105. So now as you can see, we can even reduce the 7 and 14. So 7 ones are 7, 7 2s are 14, 6 into 2 is 12, the denominator is 1, and 12 by 1 is just 12. So this is our answer. So I'm expecting you have understood this problem. So thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.